Now talking. Now talking. You want you tell it? Eh? Why? Yeah, the man I do. Eh? When last did you ride you on a horse like this?
That one. 2 years ago.
2 years ago. So when this guy was like doing that, didn't you caution him?
I used to caution him, but he's very stubborn.
He's very stubborn.
I mean, not very stubborn.
Not very stubborn. But are you aware that the guy is going to stay there like 2 years?
I'm not aware, but
you're not aware.
The way I'm seeing it there, I don't mind if you stay there.
You stay there like how many years?
I don't care. As far as I'm going to be enjoying all these things, I don't care.
Like I'm not here.
I will make you happy.
Like how? Tell me. But are you happy that now you did not even?
I was not happy before, but now I'm happy now.
What will make you happy?
I'm enjoying with you, yeah, and I'm going to enjoy these things with you, Dele.
When last did you shopping for me? And this year?
3 years ago.
3 years ago.
Yes.
So does it mean that the young man doesn't take care of you or what?
I'm just managing with you.
You're just managing with you.
Yes.
I don't want. I will ride. After riding this horse, I will go to that beach. I will pay for flying boats. We ride flying boats. Understand?
Yes.
So do you pray for him to stay there like 3 years? But even if he's out now, are you going to go back to him?
Why will I go back to him? Why will I go back to him when I'm enjoying all these things? I used to be worried before, but I'm not. I don't mind. I don't mind.
You don't mind? Okay. You know what? After riding this house, are you going? I want you stay with me tonight. You stay with me like 3 days. Let me reset your waist. Can reset you cool? Hey. When last have you seen dollars before? Have you seen dollars this year? Has anybody given you dollars?
All my life, I've never seen dollars.
So they never even give you dollars. Never give you dollars. But you claim to be in Turkey.
He's always giving me 5K for pot of soup and stew.
5,000. No, I'll give you $200 for upkeep.
Hey, God.
Just weekend though, only for weekend upkeep. Then by next week, then I will spoil you.
Are you serious?
I'll take you to so many places. But I want you to promise me one thing. After everything, you just block his Ijele. Delete his number.
I will block him today.
Block everything about him.
Today.
You understand? Today. So when you block him, put it on report. That even if he calls you tomorrow, don't even pick. Even if he had number, don't even pick, okay?
No problem.
Come test you.
Anything for you.
And test you, yeah.
God have mercy upon us.
This way. Well, listen, man, a junior man. I thought you said you are 1 million, right?
You want us to enter this river?
And I want to make love inside the river now.
Inside river?
I want to experience.
No, this one is
make love inside river.
This one is river. It's pool.
Pool is cool, but now you're talking. Let's enter. Let's put our clothes. Enter here. We know that our friend like with our talent. Oh yeah. Let's enter now. Let's enter.